Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these propagation stations from LITMIND because they are effective and beautiful. You just hang it on your window where it can catch some sunlight, and that light is going to filter through that stained glass and add this beautiful work of art to your window. Plus, it's taking the clippings from your plant and creating new plants, which I get so excited about. So if you are a plant parent and you love creating new plants, what better way to do it than with this beautiful little propagation station? Now, it comes in a variety of different styles. It comes well packaged, so it arrives in one piece. And they give you two of the glass tubes. So should something happen to one of them, you definitely have a replacement. And they're easy to remove and to take the plant clipping out and refill more water in it because your plant clipping is going to be using up all that water. So you want to make sure it stays refilled. Easy to refill and easy to clean. You just use the suction cup to attach this to any surface like glass or your window. I actually even use this in my mirrored bathroom to hold cut flowers. So even when you're not busy making new plants, you can use this to hold flowers in lots of different areas in your home. So what a beautiful way to create new plants. It's effective and it's gorgeous. I just love it. And that is my point of view.